Our man just left us, so we're about to go to the club and forget about him. Scoop!
Sleezing and teasing, I'm sitting on him. All of my diamonds are dripping on him. I met him at the bar, I was 12 or something. I ordered
down,
2 more
throw
wines, 'cause
to
tonight I
the
want
side.
A little context if you care to listen.
Switch.
I find myself in a shit position.
Take it up.
The man that I love sat me down.
Pull it
last night
down.
And he told me
What
that it's
is it?
over, done decision. And I don't wanna feel how my heart
Switch
is ripping.
side.
In fact, I don't wanna feel, so I stick
To
to
the
sipping.
front.
And I'm out on the town with a
Pull
simple
it
mission.
down.
In my little black dress and the shit is sitting. Just a heartbroken bitch, high heel, 6-inch in the back of the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with. In the back of the taxi,
Take it to the side.
drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk sex. I was looking for a man who was on the same page. Back to the intro, back
Switch
to the bar,
arms.
to the Bentley, to the hotel.
Take it
to
down
my
slow.
own way.
Drama.
'Cause I don't wanna feel how I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did
Pump your
last
chest.
night. Doctor, anything please. Doctor, have mercy on me. Take this pain away. Give me my
Back to
symptoms,
the
doctor.
beginning.
I don't wanna feel. Smoke this joint, how I'm blowing this steam. Back to my ways like 2019. Or 24 hours since my ex did it.
Scoop, it's out now.
Last night really was the cherry on the cake. Been some dark days lately and I'm finding it crippling. Excuse my state, I'm as high
Pull
as
it
your
down.
hopes that you'll make it to my bed. Get me
One
hot
more
and
time.
sizzling. If I take a step back to see the glass half full, at least it's the Prada 2-piece that I'm tripping in. And I'm already acting like a dick, know what I mean? So you might as well stick it. Just a heartbroken bitch, high heel, 6-inch in the back of the nightclub.
Take your arm up.
I don't trust any
You're
of
dancing
these
in the
bitches I'm
club.
with. In the back of the taxi.
One
sipping
more
cocaine.
time.
Drunk calls, drunk texts, drunk tears, drunk
That
sex.
guy.
I was looking for a man who was on the same page. Back to the intro, back
Switch
to the bar,
arms.
to the Bentley, to the hotel.
Give
to
me
my
drama.
own way. 'Cause I don't wanna feel how I did last night.
Our cameraman just yawned. Pump your chest, revive your camera, man.
Take this pain away. Give me my symptoms.
Step to the front, go step on the beat. Ha. Take it back. One more time, push up, drop it down. Where's the beat? I don't fucking know. Walk front. Step back. Step, push, down.
Give me my symptoms, doctor. I don't wanna feel.
Get in there.
How I did last night. I don't wanna feel how I did last night. Doctor, anything please. Doctor, have mercy on me. Give me my
You
symptoms,
are
doctor.
done now. There's nothing Haley and Allison want to do more right now than escape from me. If you like this video, head to activebooty.com and grab this dance breaker to dance in, and then you listen to the song in our Spotify playlist, Workout by The Fitness Marshall, and you can click right here to do 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions with us every single week, almost.